Home is where life happens, where quick hellos turn into leisurely dinners, and families are born. With TruWood, home is also where style happens. We capture the beauty of wood to create true character and true curb appeal. With engineered wood siding and trim that's durable, consistent, weather-resistant, and protected against mildew, rot, and termite damage. All backed by a 30-year limited warranty and a tireless commitment to our customers and our planet. For years, our family-owned Oregon-based company has delivered exceptional quality and unbeatable performance. The TruWood collection of siding offers the most complete selection of styles and profiles in the industry, with everything from lap to panel to designer shake, with widths up to 16 inches and 16-foot lengths. TruWood's reversible trim is available in a variety of sizes and features a reversible design that's smooth on one side and has old mill texture on the other for double the application possibilities and a wide range of uses. Durable, distinctive, versatile, easy to install. For a home with character, from the company with character. This is the true difference. Discover the true beauty, true style, and true commitment that set TruWood apart. Visit TruWoodSiding.com to learn more.